Hello, welcome to my next video. Uh, Today we'll see what are private channels. Private channels in Microsoft Teams are a focused space for collaboration within your own teams. Only the users on the team who are either owners or the member of the private channel can access the channel. Anyone, including guests, can be added as a team member of the private channel as long as they are the members of the team first. For example, if a group of people in a team wanted a focused space to collaborate without having to create a separate team, or it could be a scenario where a subset of the people in a team want to create a private channel to discuss sensitive information like budgets, costs, resourcing, and so on. So it's like a private area to within a group of people to discuss certain things and very sensitive matters. So let's see how to create one. I'm logged in as a team owner. So I'm going to show you how to create a private channel. So click here as you normally do to create a private channel. As a normal channel is just add channel, and you can put, for example, finances. The only difference is, the privacy drop down. So you put this drop down and select the option called private. So this will make sure you're creating a private channel, not a normal standard channel within your teams. So click this and hit next. So we're actually creating a private channel. So now this stage is very important. So you have to choose a group of people for your private channel to discuss your sensitive information. So it could be your CEO, CFO, or who wants to discuss, or your finance manager, it could be finance officer, or whoever it may be. So put in their names and enter that. For now, I'm skipping it. Okay, it's been created. So now if you can see, these are the channels I have, and the one which I created is finances. As you can see, there is a little lock icon over here. So this denotes I have created a private channel. So similarly, I have another private channel called secrets over here. It marks in the symbol as a lock symbol. Okay. Let's log in as a normal user for this account. So this one, the one you're seeing now is a team owner. So let me log in as a different user. So this one is a normal user. So they can see the normal standard channels, but not the private channels. So that's the difference. So going back here. So this is the private channel. As you saw before, a normal team member cannot able to see the private channel that you created. Say for example, you already created the private channel here, and later on you decide to include the person, add team members to it. So how to do? So hover over this and click on the three icons, three little dots, and manage channel. So click here. So this will have its own channel settings for the private channel. So how to add? So this make sure you're adding to the correct one. Yeah? Okay. So it's the team name followed by the private channel name, and that you have the members. So it'll display all the members already you added to the private channel. We haven't added any, so that's why it's blank. So let's add one person. So you click on add. So adding a member to the private channel. So I have a member, Shahul Hamid, which I have showed you here. We can't see, right? Okay, I'm adding it now as a member. Okay, I've added them. So if I go back to the same user again, now as you can see, voila, it's appearing. So this is how you add or remove a person. So let's, removing is quite straightforward, just it, and the user will lose the access to the private channel. So it's very simple. So this is a private channel, as I said, is a lot of uses that you can use for. If you want to discuss a sensitive information, you can create a channel. You don't want to create a separate team just to discuss within a group of people. You can very well create the private channel. One thing you have to make a note, by default, the creation of channels are allowed by the team members. So by default, when you create a team, there is a settings in the channel that allows the team members to create channel and also create private channels on their own. So if you want to stop your team members creating their own channels and creating their own private channels, they can do that. So if you want to stop them, so what you have to do is click on the top, the channel name, then after that manage team. Okay, go to settings and member permissions, drop down, and it will say here, I have turned it off for now, but it previously by default it will be turned on. So the first one, the allow team members to create or update channel and allow members to create private channels. Okay, so if you want them to stop creating just the private channels, untick this, and if you want them to stop any of the channels, you can untick this, so it will just default. So we can stop the team members from creating any channels, including normal standard channels or private channels. This is all about the private channels in the Microsoft Teams. Hopefully this will be helpful for you in your scenario. If you like it, please give a thumbs up for this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.